In this video, you are going to learn what the difference is between messy and dirty and where should we use both words. Usually we use dirty word everywhere for everything. But today I will tell you how you can use right word in right situation. So let's start our topic of today. My first word is dirty. Dirty implies unclean. Whenever you will see dirt, then you can use dirty word. For example, like whiteboards, an unclean bathroom, a gardener's hand. It means whiteboard has a dirt of black paint. An unclean bathroom obviously has a dirt because it is not clean, and gardener's hands means gardener was working in the garden, so his hand dirty. And you cannot use gardener is dirty because gardener is man, person, and dirty word cannot use for a person. But sometimes many people use dirty word for a person. So it is wrong. You cannot use dirty word for a person because person is human and human is not dirt. So you cannot use dirty word for a human. But except for one condition, whenever you want to abuse someone or you want to say a bad word indirectly, then you can use dirty word for a person. For example, many people speak like you are rubbish. What is mean of rubbish? Rubbish mean is dirt or garbage. So they also trying to say his man is dirty, but his speaking he is rubbish because it is very common. For example, if you say a person is dirty, it can be insulting or that they think a lot about sexual things. And I already told you that dirty you cannot use for a person. If you will use dirty word, it can be insulting or that they will think what about sexual thing. I mean you are trying to abuse him or you are trying to say a bad word. So if you want say bad word, then you can use dirty word. If you want and if you don't want, so you cannot use dirty word. So I hope you have understand where you should use dirty word. And my second word is messy. Messy means disorganized. It's most often refer to a place or person, but can also refer to things. Mean messy word you can use for a person as well as you can use for place and thing. For example, a messy room might have clothes everywhere. It means whenever you will enter in the messy room, then you will see there is many clothes and many things are scattered or disorganized. So in this condition, you can say your room is messy. A messy person might not keep their house clean. And in this condition, you are using messy for person because you are not seeing dirt physically, but you are realized messy by his manner. So you are using messy person. So in this condition, it is correct to use for person, and messy person might not keep their house clean. So I hope you have understand what are differences between messy and dirty. And I'm going to show you an article which you can easily understand what is differences between both of. You can see here very dirty dishes and dirty kitchen. You can see in the kitchen there is many plate are dirty and many plate and glass and spoons are disorganized. So in this condition, you can say that your kitchen is messy and dirty. And you can see many pictures related messy and dirty. Like you can see this kitchen, there is many plates and cup and spoon are disorganized, are scattered. So in this condition, you can say that your kitchen is messy. And you can see this plate. This plate has a dot, so you can say this is the dirty plate, because you can see physically dot in the plate. So you can use dirty word, and when you will see disorganized scattered thing, then you can use a messy word. So I hope you have understand what are differences between messy and dirty, and where you should use both words. If you think it was helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you want more video related this topic, so please provide me confusion word, and I will make you video especially for you.